Hello friend, welcome to our channel. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. We specialize in the common rail injector. Today I want to share with you something about our product. This is our valve assembly. Yes, if you're interested about this one, please follow me. Let's see more details about this one, okay? First, look at here. This is our packages. We packed with the VCI anti-rust bags. And on this part, you can see a label. And on the first line of the label, you can see this is the Shumatt logos, right? And if you want print with your own logo, you can contact us because we supply the customized service. Okay, we can have you to design this kind of label, the logo, and packaging bags, and so on. And on this part, this is a product code. The product code is the F00RJ00339. Okay, on this part, as you can see, this is application ejector number. The number is 0445120009 and 0445120010. 0445120014. Okay, on this part, as you can see, this is a QR code, and you can, if you want more information, use your phone to scan it, and other informations on the label. Okay, I thought it's time to open it to see the inside part. Okay, please follow me. Let's check the details for this one. Oh, this is the inside part. Actually, the inside part we pack with the transparent little boxes, right? And you can open it in this way. And in the inside part, we also pack it with oil paper. Wow, this is our product, okay? Actually, we're not sealing the whole side, but also we're sealing separate parts. The separated part, this is a valve cap. For our valve cap, as you can see, it has a coating with some code letters. And this is a valve rod. For the valve rod, we have different ones, different size. If you want other sizes, you can contact us and we can make the customized services for you, okay? And each items, before we seal it, we will test it many times, okay? Actually, we have so many products in our channel, right? If you don't familiar with our product, you can send us a product code, and we can help you to check it. Also, you can download the app. Okay, except that I hear Caitlin want to share you 3 tips here. Yeah, the first tip is if you want to clean it with oil. The second tip is make sure the valve cap can be moved in the right position. The third tip is make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly. Okay, that's all the tips I want to share with you. Actually, about the warranties, our product, we have the 6-month warranties. Yeah, during this time, if you're not satisfied with the qualities, you can contact us, okay? Okay, so much for today's product introductions, except that we also supply the injector, nozzle, repair kit, the pumps, parts for the pumps. Yes, so many items. Each item, if you are interested, please welcome you. Feel free to contact us, okay? And remember, follow us at our channel. Okay, so much for today's product introduction. Thank you for your watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Love you guys. See you next time.